Hello guys and girls and welcome back. It's your boy Big John, the at's at the bottom of the screen. If you'd like to listen to my music, so is all the relevant information I'll be speaking about in this video. And today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you how we caught a 1-to-8, almost 1-to-9 trade on gold. So I'm going to be doing a lot more videos on gold. You know, I still do my question and answers videos as well, but I thought, you know, a lot of people love to trade gold, and why not try and give them the best amount of information as I know when it comes to trading this instrument.
Started from the bottom like Drake. Got that young moolah, but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you wanna be the boss, then you have to delegate.
So for all of those people that are in the Discord group, you can see I have the pip count area, and this is actually the area where I've been giving out free trades for every single person for them to be able to catch when they are in the market during any part of the week when they're trading in the Discord. And they do ask me, you know, can you give me a checkup on this pair or that pair? And what I'll do is I actually go through the pairs and tell them this is what I'm expecting. Either wait for your Trinity alert if you are in the Trinity group, or you know, you can use your TDI or whatever you use for entry confirmation. There are a fantastic amount of trades that have actually occurred lately. A lot of wins, a lot more wins than losses. And I hope everybody's been making some type of pips. If you do want to get into my Discord, the link will be in the description below. This is absolutely free to get into here. I'm not doing this every single second of every single day, but if I do see something, I will put it out there. Now let's get straight into the source. So when you do get over into XAUUSD, I'm using TradingView. You can use my link below and get some coins off of your monthly payments for your TradingView account. And what I'm actually looking for here is just simple market structure. I've told people time and time again, if you want to do anything, just draw out your lines, which is, you know, I've done many videos on this. I've even done a gold video on this. The link will be up above. And what you need to actually do is just draw out your support and resistance lines if you want to be able to find out key levels in the market. Literally, if you want to find out where the market could reverse from, it will help you a lot when trying to figure out where you could enter a trade. And this was a simple trade that I gave out based on this key level here. So the key level that we was paying attention to right over here was this one right here. It was about 1795. And I was telling people that you can see there was a rejection of this area here. There was also another rejection of this area over here, and then we had a massive breakthrough from this area. So when we had this actual breakthrough, that let me know that this is a strong level in the market because they had to use some type of volatility, some type of force, maybe even a news event for them to break the market to go down this fast. So therefore, when the market was buying back up to this area, I said that a level of rejection we are looking at, because we can see one tap and two taps here, is most likely this level here. And it was really, I kid you not guys and girls, it was that simple to catch the trade setup. So when we actually go into a further look, and even if you didn't take it like this, I did show traders how to do this on another setup to make it easier for you. If you don't want to draw all the hourly, you know, support and resistance levels, then you can do this as well. I'm just on another brokerage here, and I did show people in my last video, which is the beginner's course, I did show people how to use this Fibonacci on the daily time frame. You're going to draw your Fibonacci from your swing high to your swing low. People are probably going to ask me what's the settings for my Fibonacci. They are right here. And all we are looking for is price action from its swing high to its swing low for price to go back towards a key level. It's the same type of setup. We can see the swing high was here, right over here, and then the swing low was down here. And then we was waiting for price action to go back to a level where we saw rejections on this Fibonacci. And we can see the same thing happened here at the 0.618. There was a rejection here, a rejection here. So again, we was just looking for the same thing. We can see that this is a level, strong level, where we could possibly be looking for a sell. Now, the next thing we can do is how do we get our entries? So I'm just going to go down to the 15-minute time frame, and this was actually marked out for you because I'm just trying to show you to make it quicker, is that these were the Trinity alert entries. So we had a sell entry here and we had another sell entry here. So I'm just going to go over to Trinity to show you what that actually looked like. So when I'm in Trinity, I can just go over to the search. If you want to get this version on Telegram, you need to make sure you download the Telegram app on your laptop or on your Mac computer, whichever way you want to do it, but get the app. If you use the web browser, it will not look like this, so you will not be able to search as easy as I'm going to do. And then as soon as I'm in the Trinity group, this is the scalping group, all I have to do is go XAUUSD and then just go to sell. And then right now I'm going to see all the sell alerts that happen on XAUUSD. So I can see them straight away, and I'm just looking for the 4th or the 5th of August. So the 4th started from here, and you can see that we had one one at 7 o'clock basically, but this was below the resistance level where we was looking for the possible sell. So we're not paying attention to that one. This is what's getting people stuck when it comes to using Trinity. They think Trinity is a signal indication of, oh, get into the market now, get in. When realistically, you need to use anything you're trading. That's any indicators, alerts or anything. You've got to use it with some type of price action to understand what you're actually doing. So at 7 o'clock, we wouldn't have even paid attention to that one because it was nowhere near our resistance level. Now, when we got one at 2:15, this was the one that actually failed. So it's okay. You know, we're looking for a 1-to-8 risk to reward ratio or 1-to-4 at least on this trade. So we can be wrong at least 3 times, you know, for us to still try and make profit. So then we did get one at 20.45. So I'm just going to head back over to the chart. And now you're going to be able to see what I said. So here was the alert at 2:15, which was New York session. So this one failed because we can obviously see the market just bought straight back up. It's okay. If you was going for a 1-to-4 risk to reward ratio, it's okay. Your risk to reward would have been here. So your entry would have been here on this day where it said 20.45. You would have entered the market here. Trinity does not give you this as a signal. It just tells you you can look for an entry here. You have to mark up where you want to put your stop loss and where you want your take profit. Now, I've given people this Fibonacci because the Fibonacci helps you with possible take profit levels. Just like when you draw your support and resistance with your 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, it gives you possible take profit levels. Nobody needs to teach you where is your TP. If you do your due diligence and actually either use a Fibonacci or draw your support and resistance, it will tell you where your take profit levels are and where your stop loss level could be if you want it. But what I've explained to people is that use the psychology, you enter the market when Trinity gives you the alert, and then you put your stop loss just above the high. This is why you have a risk to reward ratio. Don't be scared to lose trades. It's okay. You're not going to be right all the time. So again, as you can see, you would have entered here, stop loss above there, about 32 pip stop loss. And of course, this went down for a fantastic 1-to-8 risk to reward ratio trade, which was about 270 pips. So this was a great call out, and it's really that simple what can happen when it comes to price action. So if we're even looking now, we could be seeing something very similar happening here. So it looks like price action seems to be in another zone around here, and it could have just went back up to here to go down for a continuation of this sell. This is what we could be seeing at the moment. If not, you can head over into the Discord, and I have done a full explanation of what we believe gold could be doing next. So I hope this helps you guys and girls. It's very, very simple. You don't have to overcomplicate this. Just wait for price to get to your key levels. And again, if you're looking for rejections of the key levels, look for where the rejections were on the daily time frame with wicks left behind on the left of the chart. All of this was shown in my previous gold video. The link for that will be in the description below. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit me up in Telegram or hit me up in Discord. I only have a talking group in Discord. If you want to message me privately, you can hit me up in Telegram, but be careful. There has been a lot of scammers lately, so be careful who you are actually speaking to, because I will not be accountable for you getting scammed by anybody. Of course, this is the internet and people do try and scam people. So with all that being said, guys and girls, it's your boy Big John and I'm out. Peace.
Started from the bottom like Drake. Got that young moolah, but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you wanna be the boss, then you have to delegate.